Hi, what is up YouTube? In today's video I'm gonna be unpacking and setting up the HP Envy 6055 all-in-one wireless printer. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So we have a manual, and a more complete book on how to set it up. Order the instant ink package, and we have a set of cartridges or the ink. We have a power cord. These are the ink cartridges instructions, and here is the printer itself. Alright, so at the first glance you can see that this is a very minimalistic design. As you can see, there is no screen whatsoever, so you have to deal with an LED that will shine through over here, telling you exactly the status of the printer. And you have just the model number right here, HP Envy 6055. Of course, it is still secured with tape. Here is the scan bed and the paper tray right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and load the ink cartridges. Alright, so here they are. So you're gonna first remove the paper film before you insert them. So the first step is to, of course, pop off the case. And when you pop off the case, the trays are gonna move slightly to the left, so you can open them like this, and then you want to go ahead and remove the paper film. You don't want to get your hands on these tabs, they're conductive. Keep the fingers off of it. This goes at the bottom like this, and then this tab is pushed down like this, and then like this, and you are all set. Let's go ahead and load some papers. This slot can be adjusted. Alright, so this is a test print. And as you can see, the print quality is pretty great. It's very crispy, clear, no problem at all. Alright, so obviously you want to always go through the manual. As you can see, on the first step is to remove all the blue tapes. That's done. And then we're gonna go to the website and install the software to control the printer. We're gonna also use that software to set it up. And the instructions say plug it to automatically power on. Wait until printing light is purple and continue to step 2. Alright, so let's wait for the purple light. Alright, now we have the purple light. You also have a power button in the back, as you can see here, and you also have a USB cable in case you want to connect it to the computer directly instead of wirelessly. After downloading the program and installing it, you want to go ahead and press the Wi-Fi button right here, and you're gonna put it on setup mode so you can have the purple light like this. When you press it, the Wi-Fi LED on top right here is also gonna light up, letting you know that the Wi-Fi is activated. To connect it to Wi-Fi, you're gonna have to press and hold the information button for 3 seconds. Okay. Until all the buttons are lit, and then press the information button again. And then it's gonna print more info on how to set it up. Alright. Okay, it's many pages. Try a different method. So I went ahead and downloaded and installed HP Easy Start. Press the flashing information button on your printer. Here it is right here. There are only 3 things I don't like about this printer, and it's only the fact that it doesn't have a screen where you can monitor the ink status, so you have to check that from the application, either using your phone or computer. The next one is the power button, which is all the way to the back. You kind of have to reach for it every time you want to turn on the printer. Not a big deal, but still could have been to the side, maybe to the front, but I guess they wanted a sleek design. So yeah. So the third thing is just the fact that all the setup is pretty much done through your phone or a computer, so you have to set it up using a phone or a computer, but it works, no complaints there. Otherwise, great buy, sleek design, very compact, nice as you can see. Alright, so here is a quick view of the print quality. For this price range, I think it is pretty impressive. It's very crispy, no problem at all. Alright, see this, scan, print, supports a phone app, connects to Wi-Fi. You can print from smartphone, computer, you can scan from the computer program, and I think that overall this is a go because it has a lot to offer for this price. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.